George, take us home with Defense Logistics Agency. What are you expecting to see over the course of the next 3 years as you embark on those various activities that you've got going on that you highlighted earlier in the show?
Well, I'll tell you something that I'd like to see is that, this whole conversation today seemed to have a recurring theme of data. So data is pretty much at the center of everything that an organization does. You have software, it produces data, and data is tortured to give you insight and to make decisions. So when I look at our job series codes for civilian workforce, the civilian classification codes, there is no civilian classification code for a software engineer. There is not one for a data scientist. There's not one for a data architect. There's nothing for data curators. So in a modern knowledge economy where data is at the center of everything that you do, we do not have the ability to get the right people into our workforce because of our civilian classification codes or our civilian personnel system. So in the next 3 or 4 or 5 years from now, I would sure like OPM to try to correct that so we could start hiring and recruiting the right talent to help us solve these problems.